Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign out of the OmeTV app. If you want to log out of your account, just follow these simple steps. First, open the OmeTV app on your Android phone. Once the app opens, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. The settings menu will now open. Scroll down until you find the Sign Out option. Tap Sign Out. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to log out of your account. Tap Yes or Sign Out to confirm. After a few seconds, you'll be logged out of your OmeTV account and taken back to the sign-in screen. If you want to use OmeTV again later, simply sign in with your preferred account. That's it. You've successfully signed out of your OmeTV account. This video is made for educational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available online sources and research, not on my personal experience. Menu names and settings may vary depending on your app version, device, and region. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.